Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. This is the Ursula mini album set in a really funky little box, all made and cut out of chipboard and decorated in the new papers Midnight Tales from Graphic 45, which I absolutely love. I'm an October baby and Halloween, I love it. So we have got a really lovely angled box with a lift-up lid. Inside there are two mini albums, and if I lift the lid up and just show you, we've got an ephemera card in here and a nice pull just punched out of card and a 1-inch paper circle on the front. That makes a really lovely little lid pull. I've got a ribbon to hold the lid open, and then the two albums sit inside. So I did decorate this whole project out of one 8x8 pad from the collection and a pack of ephemera cards with some very clever paper piecing, but it is doable, this whole project, out of one 8x8 pad. I love a challenge, and of course when we're crafting and buying all of our supplies, it matters, you know, when you have to cost out a project. So the little box uses between 5 and 6 papers with the front covers of the albums, and then each album is decorated in 9 sheets from the collection. So really lovely. I love the stamps and the way the stamps work around the lid, and this little trick or treat cut out from the paper on the bottom here, and putty cap in there. I just love it. So that's the box, and then there are two albums, one landscape, one portrait. Now this collection has got 4 colours, black, green, orange and purple. So what I did from the 18 papers that I used on the albums, I split them out into 2 colourways. So we've got black and the purple, and then the orange and the green, and it makes really fun albums. You can mix them all together, they are very blendable. It's another fabulously created collection from Graphic 45, but this little set, I thought, let's split the colours out. So I've used a pack of ephemera cards and the 8x8 pad, and this is how it came out. So in this project there is one style of page, and they're put into the books in slightly different ways to give you a different look. So we've got little magnetic picture holders here, and a little, I love these acetate photo holders, and I've just used one of the cutouts. There are 4 on a page, 4x4 cutouts, so perfect for a photo holder. So we've got that in there, and then we've got a little pocket page. As I said, this album is all for landscape style pictures, or your bigger landscape style pictures. So nice little pocket, and then an area here that you can stick something on. I've added a corner pocket, or clip something onto. If you follow me, you know I love to clip things into projects, makes them interchangeable. And then the back of each of the pages is flat, but I created a pocket with one of the cutout strips from the cut apart sheet. And then the page repeats itself, so we've got a pocket facing the other way, and then a little top loading pocket on the side, and then flip over. We've got another magnetic closure on the back holding this adorable little cutout. Really blends into the page with the little fairies, or elves. Are they elves? And then another photo holder with one of those cutouts on in this little pocket, and another top loading pocket with a belly band on the front of that one. There's lots you can do to change up what is a very basic page. And then we've got another magnetic holder. Just pop your photos in. They're great because it stops your photos from falling out. And then a side loading pocket on the last of the pages. And again, I've added a top pocket here corner pocket. And then right at the back, the last of the little magnetic holders and a landscape acetate photo holder that you can just slot your pictures under really easily and take them out. So that is album number 1. Oh, again, I've just used one of the cutouts from the paper on the bottom there. So that's the purple and black combination of papers. And then this is the orange and green. So I've gone with that gorgeous ephemera card on the front. And pages are now in a different way, and the photo holders go a different way. So we've got portrait style acetate photo holders, and then I couldn't stick anything on this page. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. Just the most beautiful paper with all of, I love the little purple spiders. And if you're a Graphic 45 addict like I am, you'll know the more you look at the papers, the more you see behind that first pattern that takes your eye. So there's loads, spiders' webs, all sorts in the background. Love it, love it, love it. And I think my favourite gutter part, a little putty cap. And then this time we've got top-loading pockets that you can drop your pictures into. I haven't over-embellished this because, as I said, I've cut it all and decorated it out of one 8x8 pad. To add paper-covered photo mats, you would then need a second 8x8 pad or more paper, maybe from different collections. And then this is a top-loading photo mat, but you can actually slide things underneath it as well. And these are the centre pages. So really, I mean, the books are all about your photos, and the papers should complement them but sit in the background, unless you just make the books to look through and look at the gorgeous papers. I think we all do that. So 2 acetate photo holders there for your focal photos, and then 2 more pockets, top-loading pockets. Again, we've got some border strips here, and then an acetate pocket on the back and a removable one as well. So a really lovely little display album for your portrait style photos. And they all fit together in this funky little box. So if you love the project and you'd like to make it, it is our next Facebook Live class project. You don't have to take the class and attend the live workshops. Once the workshops have happened, the class is available to follow along with and watch after the event. So it's called the Ursula mini album set. I'll put the link below to all of the products and the Facebook Live class workshop if you'd like to take it, or find out more information about our Facebook Live classes. We take some basic supplies: card, chipboard, magnets, acetate, and our signature black construction tape, and following my cutting guide, cut everything out, and then the 2 live classes take you through how to put it together. But as I say, they're available after the event if you just want to do the project at your leisure. You'll find all of the links to everything you need to know down below in the description under the video. So thanks very much for watching. I hope I've inspired you to be creative. I hope you love the project as much as I do. And thanks for watching.